Welcome to ZingKidz.
English conversation for kids. Hey Rehan, what are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Noor. Not much, actually. Just planning to help my mom with house cleaning. How about you?
That sounds nice. I'm thinking of doing the same. House cleaning can be a lot of work, but it feels good to help out. Do you have any tips?
Yeah. I've picked up a few tricks. First, we always start with decluttering. It's easier to clean when there's less stuff in the way.
That makes sense. What do you usually do next?
After decluttering, we dust and wipe down surfaces. We start from the top, like ceiling fans and shelves, and work our way down. That way, any dust that falls gets cleaned up when we do the floors.
That's a good idea. I usually start with the floors first and then get frustrated when dust from shelves falls down.
Exactly. Also, we make sure to use the right cleaning products for different surfaces, like glass cleaner for mirrors and windows, and wood polish for wooden furniture.
What about the kitchen and bathroom? Those areas seem to take the most time.
For the kitchen, we clean the countertops, stove, and sink first. Then we move on to appliances like the microwave and fridge. For the bathroom, we scrub the shower, toilet, and sink. It helps to let the cleaner sit for a bit before scrubbing.
Do you listen to music or something while cleaning? It can get pretty boring sometimes.
Definitely. We put on some upbeat music to make it more fun. It really helps to keep us motivated.
That's a great idea. I'll try that next time. Do you have any tips for keeping things clean once you're done?
Yes. Maintaining cleanliness is key. We try to clean up messes as soon as they happen. Also, having a regular cleaning schedule helps prevent things from getting too messy in the first place.
Thanks for the tips, Rehan. I think I'll be more organized and efficient with my cleaning now.
You're welcome, Noor. It's great to help out our moms and keep the house clean. Happy cleaning.